Mike V, it's power hour. Inauguration trading day, eve. No, day. Oracle making a move. In this whole GameStop Wall Street situation, go to the source. Here. They're all talking about it. They're all in it. Reddit. Pure stocks. RKLB. I'm gonna argue. Lunar from first, the ones, KYBO, former IPO. I like this one. I got a nice position in this thing. KVYO. I'm down in it, making a comeback. What was strong early? Key. Lunar. Strong early in the morning. Strong closing. Tony Pistachio. He'll be okay. Goldman Sachs breaking high. Listen, another one, the big daddy. A lot of these stocks that were the strongest like 3 to 4 or 5 months ago are strong again now. Best of breeds returning to best of breeds. VRT, DST, CEG, NRG, Oklo, been squeezing Kramer. Kramer says it's a dead short. I'm not saying it. Oklo, pure position, sound. Could be a one-day wonder. See this? You might have saw this morning's webcast. I got a sandwich. It was irrelevant. I get a pickle. A freaking big issue. Might be splitting up over this. Chem going up. It'll be best of breed. Another one they want. Pure stocks. TVTX. I mentioned in TGH. Pure. Bio. I'm in CRISPR. Not a big position, but I'm in it. I'll tell you what I'm in. There's my freaking positions right here. Fuel cell killing the family. JMIA in Las Vegas. Old dogs. VKTX. Negative to positive. I tried it. Why? Tim's having a good day. That was the one to buy, breaking out in a good way. Lilly had maybe the first proverbial day of VKTX made a good move. It was. I thought this would be it. The volume thought it would be it. It might be. It's not worth something I'm sinking my teeth into. So many people are underwater on this thing. I'm buying more here. Why? Right here. I don't want to. I have to. You want to know why I have to? Because I have 6,600 shares. That's bad luck. So I'll buy 400 smart route. Why? Because it's smart. Former flyers. They're taking away former flyers. What? NU. Jeff, I saw that in you. AEM. Gold breaking out still. A lot of sectors. TEM. Nancy Pelosi's in TEM. Everybody chased it. Robotics. Smart. You're not getting on camera this time because you forgot the pickle. Yeah, not bad. Thank you. Thanks, Bob.
Yeah.
You can take pistachio with you, please.
You said it?
Okay. INQ was on sale. Look at it. 3 days. 4 days. 26.44. We have to go to earnings. Jesus Christ. I did get my layouts back. Thanks, Jeff. A personal note. As a matter of fact, I got it back right at like 20 minutes before here. I was actually going to maybe use an excuse of why I couldn't do a 3 p.m. power hour because I was so focused. But I am back. Thank you. And I saved it every which way. I restored it. I saved it. I refreshed it. Let's look at earnings. What can we take? Kodak. I saw all the posts. Don't let me wrong. And by the way, Grab. I'm in Grab now, but I'm offering to sell a little bit. I was down. Grab took some more calls and some more calls and some more calls. I think I have 28,000 now from like 471. I might take half off. I have 28,000 from 458. I'm actually up in the thing. It took calls. I like it. It's going to take time to work. This is one of these things, Grab, where we talked about it. Even Mick knows about it. I would almost want, I know it will work. It may not work tomorrow. These are one of the things where if you turn around, it's working. That's how it is. Just like LNG. I know a different group, but one of those things, you know what I mean? One of those type of stocks. Grab them in. Starbucks, what's up with that one? One day, boom, all of a sudden, now everybody's chasing above the 50-day with some volume. It was dead. Could have been my 50-day, I could very easily be short this, my 50-day rule to start anything. It's not my own rule, believe me. A lot of people are in error people move markets use this rule. 50-day resistance. You say, all right, and boom. Had a nice run. Want to have a short on, markets made a nice, trying to time the market. That's it. Now everybody's clamoring to get into it. What's this? You like that grab? I'm tagging Jeff. Uh-oh, look at this. It all went down. Pistachios barking. The wife's home. My stepson's going away to college. Oh my God. Friday. I've got Netflix earnings tonight. But you know what? Behind the screens, you would think it's crazy. It's the refuge. As I check the Grab Weekly. I have no screens now. This is what I look like. This is me naked. This is me technologically naked. 6249. Let's see what's. Let me get up here. I will look at the Grab Weekly. And the reason why I got Grab, that's because of the calls. This LV is you know what? This didn't save properly. I knew it. Bear with me, please. It didn't save properly. It's hurting me. See this? I have all the same. I tried to save my columns. It's all the same freaking column. I'm like these. This is where my spies are. I'm like, oh, the spies were 4 last time. Look, oh my God, they're up 2. All right. Well, if you want to see the same thing 3 times, that's it. What's acting well? VKTX. SC is the one. Oh, let's go to the Grab Weekly. I'll do all the sleep. But you see, I saved this. That's what happened. This is the one they're in, guys. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. That's it. SC. Breaking out of the cup and handle. And Grab Weekly. I could basically guess what the Grab Weekly is by that. No, I like it. It's right there. It's taking calls. I get it. It's got the cup in it. I get it. It's on the bottom part of the channel. What's my risk? I've done a lot worse. I'm even up in the freaking position. For crying out loud a little bit. Why am I even offering it out? I don't know. You want to know why it's under 5? I broke a rule. All right, first I broke a rule. What are you gonna do? This one looks pure. It's ready to go. It didn't have a lot of those breaks. It didn't have a lot of breaks like the other ones. Serve. It's got a chance. No, the other ones are very jerky. And the rigatoni, this serve hung in there, man. I'm telling you. Something's up with this freaking thing. I'm telling you. Telling you. I'm not saying it's happening tonight. Oh God. Apple. Low of the day. Still can't. What is it? Good Apple. All right. You know what I mean? All right. I get it. I have the same freaking the perseverance that I'm going through with a sandwich with no pickle, a lukewarm coffee, pistachios over there. I got 3 of the same column. Vate. J Norm. Mick, where are you? able to take it. Tough love, man. I appreciate that. You're a gentleman. I'm serious. Vate, is that the one? I like stocks trading with V's, not because my last name is Venezia. It's just a V. Boom. It's like the first one near my finger. TVTX is pure. I saw it. Lewis brought up this VSAT. And by the way, for anybody that's up there, Lewis in the room, Patron, right here. Worked closely with him over a decade. He's clerked for me. He's entered orders for me. He's had my password. So Lewis knows what's up. He pointed at VSAT early this morning. And we've gone through a lot together, me and Patron. But when he posts, he posts. VSAT, I get it. The 200-day resistance, it has it in it. It has it in it. I'm not going to talk you out of it. My freaking neck is killing. All right, let's go to earnings. What time is it? Power hour. I got to adjust my screen. It's all right. Netflix is after the close. UAL, Seagate, Capital One, and banks in the morning. Procter, Abbott, J&J, Halliburton, AP. You know what is APH? There's a lot of stock. I don't know why I bring this up, but that stock is just an enigmatic stock. I just like the name Amphenol. Usually works, Amphenol. Tech related to a degree. Probably works. All right, let's look at some. We want to talk lotto, buying some lottos. Let's talk earnings. Not bad. Netflix. What do I think? I have no opinion. Want to know why? Speaking about usually having a feel, I'm literally probably two, without exaggeration. Actually, I don't exaggerate. I've been doing a long time. Probably 2 for 8 on Netflix calls, no matter what it is. I don't trade it well. It's what it is. It's fine. Netflix, I hope it goes up. It's fun zone it, you know what I mean? I hope it goes up. One of the stocks I hope works. Netflix UAL, we already have an airline person. I'm sure the answer is going to be already posted by the time I finish the rest of the earnings. He has every right to. Let's look at ALK, which got voted, by the way, the best airline out there still. That one, I'm telling you, that is the one still. STX. And that goes with MU, the disk drive maker. I've been trading that for a long time in my life. I like this stock. It used to be SEG for the boomers out there. Also goes to Western Dig. STX. You don't want to be wrong. Don't want to be wrong. Boy, that stock rips. Anyway, that's the disk drive situation. Capital One, I'm not going to go through any banks. Although I feel the banks, from what I understand, unfortunately, I've been doing reading, and I apologize to anybody out there that counts on me for just trading, is that these banks are they're most likely the ones that trade the truest book to value, the book value. I understand that they get a little even lofty, times book. But I'm not in it anyway. That's why I read it. The only one I'm in is FYF, as you know. As a matter of fact, I'm going to add to it when I get off here. Earnings lottos. Let's see if I'll play a lotto right on here. Procter and Gamble, I have no opinion. You might have an opinion on Procter and Gamble? The aforementioned Patron. Procter. He loves KMD for some reason. Abbott Lab has earnings. Those are popping today. Vita, I just looked at the Vita. He's that Baxter guy that bought Leaps like a month ago, and I love the symbol. I couldn't do it. GH was up huge today. The blood. There's gonna be some freaking live investigation here. On GH. GH gets the highlighter. GH is in a beaten down bio sector. All right, that doesn't have earnings, by the way. Halliburton, Johnny John. Do we have an opinion? Halliburton, Ali, Comerica, Travelers, Commerce Bank. We're done with earnings. Next. Now we're gonna look what's moving. Sir, it does look good. So if I was taking calls, you're right. So if I was taking calls, good job, Lewis. Thank you. I know you're here. Now, well done. All right, let's look. Percent gainer, 60 minutes. What's the moving? What are they going into? Let's fish where the fish are. Vate brought it up. NNE brought it up. Sound brought it up. Percent gainers on the day. I'm only interested in stocks that at least have 1.5 million. So everything there basically qualifies. Vate, number one. Dogs, forget about it. RDW, that's the one they're all talking about. The one that's the new rocket one that's sexy. RDW, Lunar, Rocket Labs. Work key. David Geddes at 3. All those calls rested. What a call trade. Well, anyway, note the trade. Move on. GH is there. Lunar. They're in it. Rockets. If this was a gold stock, would you buy it? If it was the VIX, would you buy it? It may not work. Net, they work. Might be stale in the long in the tooth with the story, but you have to believe in something. Net, they work. PL, Ripple, Oclo, LEU. This is the one they want. LEU, UMAC, drones. Poet. Look at the poet and you know it. I'm back in the fund and poet and you know it. Let's get AI in it. What the dip? All right, we'll leave it there. Any questions? I catch my breath and put on some trades. You got to be in the room. Right in here. It's called TradeGATEHub. You don't have a password, ask. You know what I mean? I'm a New Yorker. You know, I learned a lot of things. You don't get let me ask. And the reason I haven't been punched in the face yet is because it's not what you say, it's how you say it. So ask. Okay? Comments, suggestions, welcome. Okay? You saw who has earnings. If you didn't scroll up, watch any of the videos, including the one going back last night. Reiterate stronger and longer term calls. Options, that is, that they're playing. They're playing PayPal leaks, 3M, we took some off. AGQ Silver calls it off the effing board. That was from this morning, as I reiterated. Reddit, pure.